first time using the glasses on the bike. I got them in the helmet. Maybe you can hear me clearer now. I'm going to talk all the way through this video. I'm putting the shield down. We're going to see if you can hear me over the bike and with the wind. I'm recording. I hate that. I need to get some like anti-fog stuff on here. I hate that. Get a check. Bike definitely sounds good. During the day on a Wednesday, but I ain't rode this bike in probably 2 weeks, you know. Try to measure with the shield all the way up. Definitely sounds good, man. Trying to stay away from cars right now. I'm back again. I am a little bit further away from where I pulled off at, but I'm staying away from cars pretty much in the neighborhood. I ain't going too far. Gotta be somewhere at 5:30, so can't stay out too long. This bike definitely sounds good though. Do you hear it? Let me upshift the floor. Watch it pop. Y'all hear that? Fifth. Little bit of pop. Feels so good out here. The wind is perfect. These back roads is love, man. I love these back roads. Is working out for what I bought them for. They do have the prescription lenses in it to help me see better, and I'm 100% satisfied on my purchase, man. I have no bad things to say about these Meta Gen 2 AI Ray-Bans. These are the Mayfairs. I got the gloss ones. No regrets, man. These back roads is love. I haven't had prescription lenses in 25 years. They make riding so much more pleasurable because I'm not a 100% 20/20, or I don't have 100% 20/20 vision. It's not that strong. My prescription is. Bike sound good. Y'all want to hear this thing? It sound good. It really do. I have 20,000 miles on this road. Let's go through the. No, 18,380 miles. I've had this bike since 2020, and it's been good to me. I always keep it on. ABS 2, automatic wheel control 2, automatic lean control 2, automatic traction control 2. I'm in race right now. I can switch it to track, or I can switch it to sport. I like race. I'll keep it in race. Switch this thing to neutral because sitting here, and now it's time to go. I did that because if a car is going to turn, it's going to turn when it's a clear spot, and I don't want to be in that clear spot. I make sure I'm right up on the other car's back when I go through intersections. That way, if a car sees a clearing, it's going to go. And if they don't particularly see me, they're going to go when they see a clear spot. They be waiting for that clear spot. So I'll stay right behind them, the car in front of me. That way, if they don't see me, they definitely see the car in front of me. That's just a little thing I learned from riding all these years. When you slow down and stop, you can talk to it. But while you're riding, you can't talk to it because it can't hear you. Now I'm going a little bit faster, and I'm bike sound good though. Look, one day. Perfect size house right there. 500,000 to 600,000 easy. Easy. Another back road. This is the back road I actually laid this bike down on. It's a long story. I'm not going to go into it. It's something I'm not proud of at all. This is the street. And it's a little further up. It's probably a mile. Look at that road. Look at that truck poking out. You just got to keep your eyes locked. Keep your head on the swivel. Any animal can run out. This car in front of me can break down, or it can drop something, or something can come off and fly towards me. Anything anything can happen, man. Riding is so dangerous. My turn coming up right here. Ain't no cars behind. Check my mirror, you know. I don't like that. Jones is coming. Going around me, man. Took that turn, you know, cautiously. I don't like turns like that. They saw me. The audio is not going to pick up my voice. I don't know. I'm just testing it out because I can't even really do any commands with my voice sometimes. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. I'm anxious to see how the audio comes out, but for now, so far so good. I'm thinking the helmet is just covering the speakers or it's doing something. But otherwise, it's playing my music, it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's just sometimes the wind is, I don't know, hitting the right spot, or I'm going the opposite direction that it's blowing right towards the speaker. Even though I got my shield down, I really don't know. Maybe it'll work better if I put on my other mask. Or let me cover up the vents in my helmet. Now how's that? Is that better? I got some vents up here that I could cover. I had them open because it's to get air in there for the summer. Oh, by the way, I've ridden some of these trails back here. If you see some off to the side car trails in the dirt, I've ridden some of those and on the quad. And that was a while ago. Weather's nice though. 70 degrees is perfect to ride in. You know, you got your gear on, it's not making you hot. You got your sweatshirt on underneath your jacket and your vest. Plus your gloves. It's perfect. 70 degrees is a perfect temperature to ride in. I've ridden in 50, 60, but 70 is perfect.